Today we will discuss class 11 maths, and today we are going to discuss first chapter and the exercise of first chapter 1.2. In this we will discuss the number of questions related to the type of set. So let's go and find out the answer of the exercise 1.2. So we have question number 1. What is the following are example of null set? So we have to find out the null set of the given set. Clear? So first of all we observe first question, set of odd natural number divisible by 2. So odd natural number which can be divisible by 2. So it is not possible that we can divide any odd natural number by 2. So the first set we can say it is a null set. Clear? So we can say it can be denoted by this or 5. क्लियर? कोई भी ऑड नेचुरल नंबर को हम लोग 2 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? ऑड मीन्स 1, 3, 5. Completely we cannot divisible it. Clear? The second is the set of even prime number. So now we have even prime number. Yes, we have 2. So this is not a null set. Third, x is that x is a natural number greater than less than 5. X is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. So no number can be possible less than 5 and greater than 7. So third is what? Third we have null set or phi set. Fourth, y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. So two parallel lines are never intersect each other. So we can say if we have two parallel lines, so we can say there is no common point of these two parallel lines L1 and L2. Clear? So it is also, the fourth is also null set. Now question number 2. Which of the following set is finite or infinite? So one by one we have to find out, to observe the set and then find out which is finite or infinite set. Clear? So first question is that the set of month of the year. So the set of the month of the year we know that we can be list it out. So January, February, March, April and up to 12th month. So what kind of set is this? This is a finite set. Clear? Finite means इसके एलिमेंट्स को हम लोग काउंट कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? द सेकेंड इज 1, 2, 3 डॉट 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 एंड सो ऑन. इट मीन्स डॉट डॉट मीन्स it is up to infinity. So what it mean? It cannot be listed out all the elements. So we can say this set is infinite set. Clear? Okay, the next is we have third 1 to 100. So 1, 2, 3 and up to 100. So these elements can be write down, can be listed. So this is finite set. वो एलिमेंट जिनको हम लोग लिस्ट आउट कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज फोर्थ the set of positive integers greater than 100. So positive integer greater than 100. So x is such that x is greater than 100 and positive integers. So how many positive integers आर पॉसिबल ग्रेटर देन 100. कितने पॉजिटिव इंटीजर पॉसिबल है? इनफाइनाइट. दिस सेट इज इनफाइनाइट सेट. क्लियर? दिस इज इनफाइनाइट सेट. क्लियर? द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज fourth, the set of positive integer we have done. Fifth, the set of prime number less than 99. Okay, so we have given a restriction that the prime number not greater than 99 means less than, so this can be listed. Prime number less than 99, 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So we can say it is finite set. Clear? Now next we move the third question. In this third question, state whether each of the following are finite and infinite set. Again we have same, so you can be easily understand that. Clear? So this is over to you. You can do the same as you have done in second question. The set of line which are parallel to x-axis. So the line parallel to x-axis, how many line are possible? Infinite lines. Second is infinite, set of infinite numbers. Clear? So first is infinite. कितनी possible lines हैं? Infinite. Second part of this third question, set of letter of English alphabet. Obviously we can count them A, B, C and up to Z. Okay, so it is countable. Third, the set of number which multiple of 5. So multiple of 5 is infinite. Clear? 5, 10, 15, so on. So it is infinite. Okay, the next thing we have fourth, the set of animals living in earth. So the animal living in earth can be counted. So it is we can say the total number of elements in the earth can be counted. So we can say it is finite set. Fifth, we have the set of circle passing through the origin. The set of circle passing through origin, so it is infinite, because we can change, we can vary the radius. So one circle is this, another is this, another is this. So how many circles I can draw? Infinite circle. Clear? Okay, now we move to next question, fourth question. In this fourth question we have, what we have to find out in fourth question? In fourth question we have following, in the following set, whether A is equal to B or not. So we have given some examples, some set, and we have to find out that the given set is equal or not. Okay, we observe first of all, first A has how many elements? 4 elements. A has 4 elements. What? A, B, C and D, and B having element D, C, B, A. So 4 elements is there, and one more important thing, they have a common element B, C, D or B, means the number of element in set A is equal to the number of element in set B. Also the same numbers, same elements we have in both set. दोनों सेट्स में हमको सेम एलिमेंट्स है, ए बी सी डी, एंड सेकेंड में क्या है, बी सी डी, ए सेम एलिमेंट्स हैं. सो वी कैन से दिस इज इक्वल सेट, ए इज इक्वल टू बी. सेकेंड, 4, 8, 12, 16 in set A, and set B 8, 4, 16, 18. So what we can observe? We can observe that in set 1 we have 4, 8, 16, 12, 16. In second we have what? 8, 4, 8, 4, 16 and 18. So 8 is there, okay, 4 is also, 16 also, but not 8. It is 8 and this is 18. So we can say it is not a equal set. A is not equal set to B. Why? And the reason behind that is, this is, we can say this is equivalent set but not a equal set. Clear? Number of elements in set A is equal to number of elements in set B, but they are not equal. So we can say it is equivalent set but not equal set. In third, we have given set A 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B x is that x is a positive even integer less than equal to 10. So positive even integer in set B. So we have to find first of all elements. So positive even integers are 2, 4, 6 and 8 and 10. Okay. So both are same. Both having same. Clear? So in first set we have given elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In second we have given a statement and x is a positive even integer less than 10. So easily we can say this is the, so A is equal to B. Next we have fourth A. In set A we have given x as that x is a multiple of 10. So multiple of 10 is 10, 15, 20, 25, so on. So A is containing x as that x is a multiple of 10. So what we get 10, 20, 30 and so on. In set B we have already given 10, 20 and 30. So we can say the both sets are equal. So we can say A is equal to B. Clear? A is equal to B. Next we have